Hello and welcome to a Math Minute, a quick how-to over a topic that's been troubling you. The topic for this video is factoring a trinomial by grouping. Now in previous Math Minute, I have stated that grouping is a technique we use for 4 terms, or at least an even number of terms. This only has 3 terms. So what we need to do in order to use this grouping technique is we need to turn this into a 4-term polynomial. Now this exact same problem has also been featured in a previous Math Minute that we factored it, and it required a lot of guess and check type work. Well, by factoring by grouping, rewriting this to do grouping, it's going to kind of take that guess and check work out. So a lot of people prefer this technique, so I want to go over how to do this. The first thing that you are going to do is you're going to multiply these two numbers together. The product of 2 and negative 15 is negative 30. Now we want to figure out all the ways that we can multiply to negative 30. Okay, so negative 30, there's a lot of them. Negative 30 could be negative 1 times 30, or negative 30 times 1. We could have negative 2 times 15, or negative 15 times 2. We could have negative 3 times 10, or negative 10 times 3. We could also have negative 5 times 6, or negative 6 times 5. So like in other problems, we're still trying to figure out ways to multiply to the last number, but we just modify the last number by finding this product first. Now you still want to choose, of the pair of numbers down here, you want to choose the pair that adds to this middle coefficient. So the middle coefficient here is 1. So which pair of numbers down here add to 1? And it's that pair right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite the 1x. So let's do this here. I'm going to rewrite the 1x using these two numbers right here. And the order that you use them doesn't matter. That's up to you. So if you can just take them the order that I wrote them there, it's fine. So I can do minus 5x plus 6x, and then keep that minus 15. So all I've done is I've rewritten the 1x that we had into this sum, okay? But by doing that, I've now created 4 terms, and since there are 4 terms, we can do a grouping technique. So how do we do that grouping technique? Again, let's review that in this problem. I'm going to take the first 2 terms and the second 2 terms. What's common here is x. I'm going to take that out and leave 2x minus 5. What's common between these 2 terms is a positive 3. So divide by 3 is going to make 2x minus 5. And then notice these 2x minus 5s are the same, so we can remove those as a common factor. And if I do that, it leaves x plus 3. And I have now factored that trinomial. And I've done it in such a way that I kind of took all the guesswork out of it, if you saw that previous Math Minute. Okay, that'll do it for this Math Minute. If you found this technique for factoring trinomials, especially trinomials with a leading coefficient here other than 1, helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions about the video or suggestions for any future Math Minutes that I can film for you, please leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.